Hey Facebook, YouTube, Ryan here, AOCleaning. We are doing a screen and recoat. Let me show you what we're doing today. And a color correction at a log cabin today for a client. Let me show you what we're doing. You can see it's beautiful out here. So I got here, we were going to do a screen and recoat and just screen off the old poly and the new poly. And after further investigation, they wanted to add some tint to it. So that's what we're going to do. All the alternative to sanding. Again, we can get this done in one day. And we don't take anything off the wood. We only abrade it with the screen. As you can see here, it's in rough shape. There are some exposed wood here, as you guys can see. Typically, normally I recommend sanding, but they didn't want to spend that kind of money. And I told them what I could do is do a color correction. And we can braid it down and do a color correction and try to get it close to we can to a match. And any of this exposed wood would add character and actually would be darker, a little bit darker than the rest. And they were okay with that. They were pretty excited about it. So yeah, as you can see, all this stuff here, that's actually exposed wood. We're gonna braid it, color correct it, and then blend it in accordingly. So they did go with a satin finish. A matte finish, and that's what we're gonna do for them today. Yeah, so I just want to show you around. We got a little under 1,000 square feet bedroom there, and of course, normally we're at $250 a square foot with the screen and recoat, but with color correction, we actually add $1 a square foot, so we're at $350 a square foot, little bathroom area, and that's gonna do it, guys. So we're gonna take care of that for them, get everything cleaned up, kind of blend it in, as you can see. As you can see, the reflection, just, you know, there's some abrasions there. But yeah, it's gonna look a lot better for them. This is a little darker. Whoever did this before just made that darker. But when we tint our poly, it's gonna actually help blend that, make that all uniform. So big bedroom there. We're not gonna do anything in the closets. Also nothing downstairs either. We're not gonna do anything down here or the steps, just the main foyer area and upstairs area. So yeah, guys, it's gonna do it. The worst area is probably right here. Yeah, and they're looking forward to seeing. You can see that, guys. All the old poly wore off, and also the stain. And now the wood is vulnerable, and that's why it's important, guys, to make sure you guys are maintaining your floors by getting a screen and recoat or even a buff and clean. Once it gets down past the poly and you have exposed wood, then that's unsafe. Then typically either you need to get it sanded or replaced. So all the alternative to that. In this case, they understand that we're going to color correct it and make it look better, improved, not perfect, but definitely improved. And they were 100% okay with that. So they're excited for that. And again, we can get it done in one day. So you can see where the rug was there. Definitely different color there, but again, we're gonna customize this for them and do a unique blend, customized and tailored to what they want, and make sure this is all uniform. Because look at this, guys. You can just see this actually down to the wood, and we're gonna abrade that and get that close as we can to a match. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and yeah, let's do it. All right, guys, I am applying the first coat of poly. As you can see, it's going down nice with the tinted correction. And yeah, it's looking good. They love it. All right, Facebook, YouTube, this is Ryan AOCleaning. We are done. This is the second coat of poly. We did the stain correction. The customer loves it. Both Kelly and Cliff, they both love it. And here's what I have to say about it, guys. What do you think overall?
It's everything we expected it to be. It's fantastic. I can't wait to see it when it's completely dry. And I can't wait to see my furniture in there, because I'm telling you what, I think it's gonna make everything look even better than it did before.
Awesome, awesome. Appreciate that feedback. Cliff, what do you think, buddy?
Yeah, it looks fantastic, Ryan. It really does.
Awesome.
Turned out just the way you said it was going to. Couldn't
Perfect.
ask for a better job.
We certainly appreciate that. Thanks again, guys. And again, if you guys need any of my services, please reach out for any screen recoating or color correction. We got you covered.
We'll do
Thanks
that.
for watching.